Hey there friends, welcome to another unboxing and review. This is a CVLIFE Bipod here. Alright, let's check it out. What we got in the box. Got the bipod, some instructions, and then also we have a little Allen key with a couple extra screws. That's nice. Alright, let's check this out here. So first impression, pretty sturdy. This is a polymer and aluminum, pretty heavy duty here. These extend out. So let's check that out. That's either up to 11 inches or minimum at 8 inches. So that is pretty sweet. These lock into place. So just press the button and it clicks into different heights there. That's super sweet, easy to adjust. And this seems super burly. Okay, so these go onto an M rail. This would just lock onto the bottom of your device there. This also swivels back and forth a little bit, and that can just be tightened. And also this way on your bipod. So this can just be tightened down with just a little bit of pressure there, and that locks that into place. That's very cool, easy to do. This is almost no tension at all. Okay, so if this is on your M rail right here, this can be locked either backwards or it rotates 180 degrees there, so it can go forward on your firearm there as well, just depending on what your style is. So drop it down and click these down, extend those out, and you're ready to go. Offers some adjustment there based on where you want it, and then you can either leave it like that or you can just lock it in place there with just a touch of your hand. So very sturdy. Also on the bottom of this, we have these nice little rubber pads, so it just to ensure it's not going to slip around while you're trying to do your shooting there. So very cool. Yeah, seems like just like a really sturdy piece here. Lightweight, but it doesn't feel like cheap or anything. It feels like a well-built thing. So very cool little bipod here, my friends. Thanks so much for watching this review. Hope it's helpful. You guys have a great day out there, and I'll see you next time.